To begin, there are two main types of boilers, fire tubes and water tubes. Both of them have the same purpose of heating up water and turning them into either hot water or steam. The differences are how they achieve this. Fire tube boilers have the fire and heat in the piping and the water surrounding the piping. Water tube boilers are the exact opposite. The water is in the pipes and the fire is surrounding the pipes. This slide shows an example of a fire tube boiler, and this next slide shows an example of a water tube boiler. In order for a boiler to work, it has to combust some sort of fuel in order to create the heat. Combustion has three requirements: fuel, air, and heat. The fuels that we focused on were natural gas, diesel fuel, coals, and biofuels. All of these have their own appropriate mixtures of fuel and air in order to achieve a stoichiometric burn.
Here we see Tennessee Tech's Firetube Boiler. This particular boiler was manufactured by Cleaver Brooks. The boiler can operate on a main supply of natural gas, and it can also operate on a backup fuel of diesel. Here we are looking at the control panel of the boiler. Next we will be looking at the blowdown controls for the boiler to maintain proper water chemistry within the boiler. Ryan and I had the opportunity to discuss and interview boiler manager and operator Randy McLeod in the coming video. Now we are going to look down the boiler to see the combustion of the natural gas.
Alright, so what fuels can the boilers at Tech operate with?
Right now we burn natural gas and number 2 fuel.
Have any other types of fuels been used in the past?
In the past we were always primarily a coal boiler plant, and we used natural gas and diesel fuel to back up. We went away from coal. It's been almost 5 years now. We are primarily natural gas.
So what's the main reasons why you switched from coal to natural gas?
Air pollution is huge, the permitting and those things, and natural gas is a lot cheaper than coal now. It's not the case the first 20 years I worked here. The first 20 years coal was so much cheaper, but now natural gas is cheaper, and we still use diesel fuel for that.
Did you notice a big performance difference when you swap from coal to natural gas, or when you go to diesel fuel?
Oh yeah, natural gas to coal, from coal to natural gas for us was just a big thing. In fact, I don't have near as much auxiliary equipment that I run. I don't have to run a front-end loader all the time. We don't run ash pulling systems. We don't run big air compressors to convey coal back and forth. So there's an energy savings that's just well. I couldn't tell you the numbers, but that was a big factor into all that. So yeah, just in standpoint, in personnel and energy savings, those things, natural gas and coal and natural gas is right.
Did you see any points of boiler efficiency increases?
Oh yeah. Dr. Cunningham and Tanner, we've done some studies and stuff. We could run realistically 70-75% efficient if you done stack analyzer with coal. On natural gas in our nuclear group core, it runs between 82 and 85 consistently all across the board from low fire to high. It's really good. And diesel fuel will actually run from 83 to about 87-88% burning. But it's a lot.
Has a higher heating value.
It's got a lot higher heating.
Have you guys had any experience with any alternative fuels?
Other than coal in the early days and the natural gas things, but we don't have the ability now for that. And then they changed our air pollution permitting Title 5 where we're a natural gas diesel fuel plant, and I'm sure that would fall back down to some of that with a different, kind of biofuel or something. So that would be a big different process of permitting and all that. But for us, no, other than coal, natural gas, and diesel fuel, all one burn.
Randy, I think that's all the questions we have.
We do anything we can. Thank you.
As mentioned, boilers operate through combustion of fuels, whether it be natural gas, diesel, coal, or biofuel. Biofuels are organic plant-based products that can be used for fuel in the combustion process. Each biofuel, like coal or natural gas, has a respective higher heating value, or HHV. The variance in these higher heating values directly affect the efficiency of the boiler. Some higher heating values for boiler fuels are given below.
Boiler efficiencies are dependent on the higher heating values for the fuels. As higher heating values decrease, so does the boiler efficiency. This means that more fuel will have to be burned in order to achieve the same steam or hot water output. Fuels are affected by the harvested location, water content, and the vendors in which provide.